everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiger TV back at it with another middle school math episode or video, whatever you want to call it. Today we're going to be looking at how to solve simultaneous equations. So you can pause the video right now and read the stuff above because we're just going to go straight into the problems. Number 3 is a challenge question. The answer is in the description below. You can pause the video right now and you can just do them yourself and we can go over them. So these problems I made up myself. They're just concepts. They might not be right because, some of them are impossible. Because, So for number 1, you have to solve using the substitution method. So here's what you do. So you have to simplify both equations as you saw or read in the top. Or if you didn't, I would encourage you to go back and do it. So the first equation is simplified into y equals negative x plus 10, and the second one is simplified into x equals negative 1.5 y minus 4. Just let me write this real quick. I typed slow, okay, sorry. All right. So next, what you do is you have to do the substitution part. So you have to substitute the x for the x equals equation. So it's negative and then in parentheses negative 1.5 y and then minus 4, like I said. So just let me write this real quick. Like I said, I typed slow. Okay, so at the end there's a plus 10 because of obvious reasons. So after that you have to do negative 4 plus 10, which is 6. So now what we have to figure out is what y equals. So the equation is negative 1.5 plus 6 y. 1.5 y plus 6. Okay, I have to retype this, sorry. You can just skip ahead like 30 seconds maybe because I'm not that good with technology. So So we have to find out negative 1.5 y plus 6 equals y. So you'll figure out that y equals 4. So then you have to plug the y into the x equation. So then you'll find that the x will equal 6. Like I said, these problems are just concepts. So they're not really they're not really right because it's hard to So, sorry for my speaking. So for number 2, you have to solve using the elimination method. So if you didn't see, there's a y in the top equation and there's 2y on the bottom equation. So you have to do times 2 to the entire top equation. So that's basically what you do. So after you do that, just let me type this first. Sorry if this quality's bad. I'm sorry. So after that, you have to actually do the elimination part. So you do 2y minus y. 2y is 0, obviously, because they cancel each other out. 2y minus 2y is 0. If I don't speak clearly, or I always mess up in my speech, I'm sorry, okay? That happens a lot. So after you do that, you do 8x minus 3x, and that equals 5x. So then after you do that, since we canceled out the y's, you have to do negative 14 minus negative 9. Just let me write this down real quick so you can, visually see it. So yeah. And that will equal negative 5. Why did I just write 5? I literally said it's negative 5. Okay. Okay. So it's negative 5. So after that, we know that negative 14 minus negative 9 is negative 5. So now we know that x will equal negative 1 because 5x equals negative 5, like it says. So yeah, so if x equals negative 1 and you plug it in, you'll see that y will equal 3. So for the challenge question, the answer is in the description below. So yeah. I hope you had a good time today solving simultaneous equations. So the problems I give you, they aren't always right because it's hard to get the right problems. So I'm sorry for that. I kind of mess up in my speech a lot. I'm also sorry for that. And I'm not that good at typing. I'm also sorry for that. So I hope you had a good time today. I'll see you in my next video. Take it easy.